The power of nature and its natural bounty are a gift to mankind. Here, surrounded by medicinal plants, lie the origins of Alfred Vogel's fascination with a healthy lifestyle. Even as a young man, he realized that nature offers everything we need to protect and maintain health. Alfred Vogel's convictions strengthened as he became a pioneer in natural healthcare. Today, his holistic philosophy on natural health is more relevant than ever before. At Bioforce, we are committed to Alfred Vogel's vision, which is the foundation of our natural healthcare brand, Vogel. The goal of Bioforce is to bridge the gap between tradition and innovation, and to be strongly anchored in an international environment. Thanks to pioneering research, cutting-edge production facilities, and a comprehensive range of healthcare and food products, we are now a leading voice for naturopathy in Switzerland. With numerous subsidiaries and partner companies and production sites in France and the Netherlands, Vogel products have a worldwide presence, being available in more than 25 countries. We start with the seed, the origin of plant life. Quality is of paramount importance at this early stage. We nurture and harvest our own certified organic seeds. And every step of the process is subject to the highest standards of organic farming. Bioforce uses nature's resources with respect for the environment and gives special attention to ecological concerns. Pesticide-free organic cultivation is a natural part of what we do. Most core ingredients for Vogel products come from our own cultivation or contract farmers. Selected plants are foraged or wild harvested using approved and environmentally friendly techniques. The fresher the plant, the deeper and stronger the healing power of the remedy. This discovery was made early on by Alfred Vogel and is the reason our medicines are more effective than remedies made from dried products. This is why our plants are usually harvested at daybreak and processed as soon as possible. Bioforce processes several hundred tons of medicinal plants every year. The production of all remedies is subject to the strict pharmaceutical guidelines of the World Health Organization. To produce a tincture, fresh plants are crushed and added to a mixture of alcohol and water. This process is known as extraction. Knowing the ideal extraction time for each herb gives us the highest level of active ingredients. When this is reached, the mixture is strained. The resulting tincture can be used directly, mixed with other tinctures, or further processed into tablets or capsules. The highly potent extracts of all our medicinal plants are ultimately used in the production of tinctures, tablets, capsules, and other products. like nature, we're constantly evolving. We're taking Alfred Vogel's legacy of innovative natural medicines further into the future. New analytical methods and extracts are developed in the lab. The clinical trials required are subject to the latest international quality standards and are carried out in partnership with renowned experts and universities all over the world.
Actually, when you really need it to work.
Throughout his life, Alfred Vogel pursued a holistic approach to healing with great passion. His knowledge of the healing power of nature was conveyed widely through his best-selling book, The Nature Doctor. A. Vogel continues to publish articles on naturopathy and healthy living, including in our magazine, Health News. Our modern product range not only offers herbal remedies, but also healthy foods and herbal salts. Bioforce is a scientifically grounded private company. By steadfastly committing to the highest standards set by our founder, we will continue to develop successfully into the future.